Oh my. Wow, that was a Pikachu rat is coming. Look at that. I got you, little Pikachu. You want to go in the cage? I captured your Pikachu. Look at capture. Look at capture. Look at I captured the Pikachu, man. Look at I captured. Look, boo boos. You know. Look at it, get it, man. There we go. I captured the Pokemon. Wow, you're Sim. Yeah, I got a Pikachu. Pikachu. Can I sell some? What the? What's this, dude? Potion? Begins cats you want is your my friend? Jerk. Yeah. You're stupid. You're stupid. I'll get your Pikachu, man. Pikachu. Come on, let's go, Pikachu. Come on, let's go, Pikachu. I'll take care of my parents. Here, you have the Pikachu. Every Pikachu in the cage. Not open. Here, you have the Pikachu in the cage. Ooh, good. You care. You won't care, man. You won't care. You don't care, man. Ah! Look. Little rat, dude. Why you have any hair, man? You're a bald, dude. Bald, man. Look, you're bald, man. Oh yeah, you're bald, man. Bald. Come on. Go. Get launcher. Gotta go to rocket launchers. Gotta go to rocket launchers. Go! Yeah. What the hell is doing? What the hell? I hate it. Okay, thanks for watching for the YouTube videos. I gotta smash your like a subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And now you got bonk. You don't like you bonk. Dunk. Look, I look at him. Look. See you later.